Finish.
Good morning, dear parents, teachers, and friends.
Teachers and friends.
My name is Darrel.
My name is Eugene.
And my name is Nicho.
Today we are going to talk about the art of baking, from flower to fantastic creations. Welcome to the world of baking. In this presentation, we will explore the art of transforming simple ingredients like flour into fantastic creations. Get ready to learn about the techniques, tools, and recipes that will make your baking skills to the next level.
What is baking? Baking is a method of preparing food that uses dry heat, typically in an oven. Baking can also be done in hot ashes or on hot stoves. The most common bake is bread, but many types of food can also be baked. Heat is gradually transferred from the surface of the cake, cookies, and bread into the center.
History of baking. Baking and its history started way back in ancient Egypt in 2600 BC. It was one of the oldest cooking methods. Egyptians baked bread using yeast, which they also used for brewing beer. Baking became a highly regarded profession during Roman Empire in 300 BC.
Understanding flour. Flour is the foundation of baking. Different types of flour, such as all-purpose, bread, and cake flour, has varying protein content, which affects the structure and texture of baking. It's important to understand how to properly measure and store flour to your baking to achieve the best results of your creations.
Essential baking tools. To create a fantastic baked goods, you need a set of essential baking tools. These include measuring cup, bowl, spoon, spatula, rolling pin, and a pan. Having the right tool ensures an accurate measurement, efficient mixing, and proper shaping of dough and batter.
Mastering baking techniques. Mastering baking techniques is key to achieving fantastic creation. Techniques like creaming, folding, kneading, and tempering chocolate requires precision and practice. Understanding the purpose and proper execution of this technique will help you create delicious and visually appealing treats.
Exploring recipe variations. Baking is an art that allows for creativity and experimentation. By exploring recipe variations, adding flavors, substituting ingredients, or adjusting baking time and temperatures, you will create unique and personalized baked goods. So don't be afraid to try new combinations and techniques that will make your creations truly fantastic.
Fun fact about baking. The earliest versions of cake were actually flat, compact discs of grain which were dried and compact together.
Another fun fact about baking. The world's oldest oven was discovered in Croatia in 2014, dating back to 6,500 years ago.
What do we bake? Tapai cake. What is tapai cake? Tapai cake, also known as bolo tape in Indonesian, is an old Frisian cake featuring a soft, fluffy, sweet buttery cake with subtle fermented cassava taste. The addition of tapai also makes the cake extra moist, ridiculously rich, and decadent. This is the recipe to make tapai cake. And this is the step to make tapai cake. This is our first cake. The taste is quite sweet, but the shape is unwell, and the texture is really moist. After 3 times practices, we were finally confident to sell the cake. video shown how we bake the cake by ourselves without the teacher's lead. We sold this for 3 batches, and we sold out 4 whole cakes and 5 whole cake slices. This is the calculation of our first project. We got a profit of 340,000 rupiahs, but we used it to buy another ingredients. We have an additional order, 3 pieces baking dish.
What do we bake? Pastel tutup. What is pastel tutup? Pastel tutup is what they call the shepherd pie in Indonesia. This dish is highly popular among the Japanese community. This is our second project, pastel tutup. It was the most favorite. The second project was led by Sir Iwan. We sold 1 beef large size, 1 sausages large size, 10 beef small size, and 33 sausages small size. This is the recipe of pastel tutup. And this is the step to make pastel tutup. This is our calculation about pastel tutup. We got the profit about 544,000 rupiahs.
What we bake? Caterpillar bread. What is caterpillar bread? Caterpillar bread is spiral bread cookie and made from beef sausage, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, oregano, and Parmesan cheese. This is our third project. We sold this as snack for our friends at school. This project is lead Dr. Sir Iwan. We sold almost 70 pieces, but we get discount after school, so it becomes 7K per pieces. This is the recipe of caterpillar bread. And this is the step to make it. This is the calculation of our third project. We got profit like 220K.
5 tips and tricks to improve your baking skill. First, follow the recipe. Second, measure your ingredient properly. Third, use fresh ingredient. Fourth, understand how over-mixing can affect gluten. Fifth, calibrate your oven.
This is the salary for our employee, taken from the net profit. Eugene got 170,000 rupiahs. Nicho got 170,000 rupiahs. I got 170,000 rupiahs. Sir Iwan got 120,000 rupiahs. Miss Firen got 100,000 rupiahs. And Miss Dian got 50,000 rupiahs.
Last but not least, we know we love this project because we can earn money from selling some products. Thanks for buying our product. See you in another product sale.
Thank you for your